Hello traders, this is Sean Oman back with you from fxchatter.com, and today is Thursday, July 28th, 2011. Welcome back to the Daily Fundamental Report, and here we track the flow of money around the world into the different respective instruments to determine what exactly is going on with the US dollar. And today we start off with the dollar itself being up considerably. However, the fundamentals are telling us a different story at this point. However, they are showing a lot of weakness here. Not much flow going into anything right now. It's about 9:35 in the morning, and gold is up slightly, which is slightly US negative, but it's not giving us a lot of strength behind it. And the same story with our equities, which are up, but really they're flat, and that's kind of a negative influence on the US dollar, but again without strength. And be aware that these directions are teetering around the unchanged level, so at any moment this could turn around. Our oil at this point is down slightly, which is a positive indicator for the US dollar, and our treasuries are up, which is also a positive indicator for US dollar. So we've got some conflict going on with the flows. No clear direction, and kind of representing a no conviction on traders' parts today at this point in the day. Our commodities are down mostly, which is also a positive signal for the US dollar. And now I just see that our oil, which was up here, did flip to being up. So change this oil indicator to a negative US dollar indication. So that kind of tilts the scale a little bit. We did have the unemployment claims up down this morning. The news was good news, better than expected numbers, which is also going to have an overall negative effect on the US dollar. And the new home sales we're anticipating up at 10 a.m. So at this point in the day, which it's still early, there's no rush to jump into any trade, but at this point we're going to call for a weaker US dollar. Our fundamentals are basically showing us that the bias is for a weaker US dollar. However, with the conflict in the instruments and the weakness in the strength of the flows, we're basically looking for a range-bound market without a whole lot of movement, or we're looking for a lot more strength to enter into the markets in one direction or the other. It's teetering that close to flatlining. So we'll be sitting on the sidelines waiting for some strength and some clear directions, but our bias is we're looking to actually sell the US dollar against the majors. Having said that, be aware that the ongoing debt talks at any time could account for some market moving news at any point during the day. So don't go too far from your computer, because any news could surprise everybody and send markets in one direction or the other. That's it for today. Range-bound market with the bias at this point for a weaker US dollar. Okay, traders, have a great day. We'll see you later this afternoon at or around 4 p.m. for the market wrap-up.